一個雞煎蛋，咖啡 soda get coffee。Wow. Good morning guys. I'm gonna show you a day of me in Vietnam. This is my room. Right now it's almost 12 p.m. I've been drinking Vietnam coffee and it messed up all my sleeping pattern. My room, lots of natural light. So this is where I keep all my stuff. It's very messy. This is my bed. I always sleep in a sleeping bag. It's cleaner. Pillow from Decathlon, and this is my pillowcase. I bought this towel online because of the translation. I ordered blue but it turned out to be pink. My desk, very tiny, just nice, and a very comfortable chair. And this is a mini kitchen and a fridge. Let me show you around the house. And in Vietnam, these are the switches when you enter the room. This is the AC. I just turn it off. And this is the, I think the whole entire room power. This is the lights. So this is the corridor. It has 3 levels. This is the common toilet. It has a very nice koi pond. Laundry room. Dryer on top. Washer at the bottom. Common area. Common kitchen. Sitting area. Free space and motorbike parking area. So at night we'll always draw this gate down to prevent people from looking in. I think motorbikes are considered luxury items, so they have to draw it down. Trash cans. Today I'm gonna go to the supermarket, go to the gym. So every Monday I will weigh myself because I have to report to my coach. I've been on this like 20-week program, 47.8. This was me 22 weeks ago. I'm a bit skinnier, and then this is me right now. So I think I've gained a lot of muscles. Shout out to my coach Alexandra, check her Instagram out, and if you need any fitness advice. Without her, I wouldn't have achieved this progress. Come on. I do not have a mirror in my room, so I'm using my camera. Let's head out for lunch and gym. This is my outfit. Cover myself up because it's quite sunny out there. Can be quite dusty. A mask. Good morning, how are you? Yeah, I vlog.
You have a YouTube vlog?
Yeah. So I need to move out the motorbike. This is quite heavy, but I got used to it.食飯係一個雞一個蛋煎蛋冇咁熟蛋冇咁熟同埋一個菜。So this is the store. It's a very local store, and they will cook it on the spot for you. 好，冇問題。There's some low tables here. And it's my first time speaking Cantonese in Ho Chi Minh City. I'm gonna show you some Vietnamese dong. 500,000 dong. It's about 25 Singapore dollars. This is 1,000 dong. Yeah. Wow. This rice meal, my favorite before the gym. Eggs, chicken thigh, and vegetable. Thank you. Okay, stir fry vegetable. Wow, you can smell the aroma. So this meal cost me 60,000. Thank you. Thank you. Free soup. What a sumptuous meal, right? I got used to eating on low tables. Very low. I think the lower the table is, the lesser you will eat, because your stomach is being folded into half. Vietnamese coffee. Xin chào. Cà phê soda. Get coffee. This is 20,000. Coffee with milk. So good. It's like a dessert. So before workout, I'll eat my meal. so that I would have enough energy to work out. So the cool thing about this gym is check in and check out using your face. So no cards required. Gym is very clean. One of the cleanest gym I've seen in Vietnam. I'm gonna get some groceries because today I need to cook Samgyetang, Korean ginseng chicken soup. This is Lotte supermarket. I made a full tour on my previous video. Chicken thigh, 35,000 dong. Han Kwok is Korea, Han Kuo, 47,000 dong. Mushrooms, 119,000. 10 eggs for 30,000 dong. I can't buy too much because I'm riding a motorbike. Bananas, 45,000. Onions, 16,900 dong. Garlic, 36,500 dong. Ginger, 9,000 dong. Spring onion is 19,000 dong. Watermelon, 26,000 dong for 1 kg. So expensive. This is $10. Oh my god. Okay, this whole section here is expensive, so I'm not gonna buy here. Sell sponge. Yeah, sponge. Yeah, sponge. 13,500. 10 pieces of mask, 8,000 dong. Salt, 6,500 dong. Hello Panda. It's been more than 10 years since I ate this, so I'm gonna try this again. 22,000 dong. Disposable razors, 25,000 dong. A metal cup, $2. Let's check out. Always pay with your Wise card when you're traveling. Sign up through my link down below. Come on. Let's go home and cook dinner. I'm so hungry. Today's grocery is about $35. It's quite a lot. Just got home, so I'm gonna prepare the ingredients. My rice. I do not have a rice cooker, so I got to improvise. Rinse my rice. Tap water here is not clean, so you need to use bottled water. Steam my rice in this induction. Set 10 minutes timer.
10 minutes, counting down.
Check on my rice. Wow! No rice cooker, I managed to cook it right. This is success. Look at how soft and fluffy the rice is. Put my chicken thigh. Some other herbs. Cold water in. I'll just eyeball it as long as it covers my chicken. Medium-high heat, 30 minutes. Oh, I can already smell the herbs from the soup right now. If you are in countries that can watch this movie, you can catch this. A landing balloon. It's available in Vietnam. The language is Mandarin and Cantonese. Homemade glove. It smells so good right now. Wow. Looks so good. Oh, it smells so good. It's such an easy dish. This is my rice. Spring onion all over it. Let's taste the soup. It's so flavorful. The golden broth. I think it's golden because the red dates actually make the soup brown. Chicken is smooth like butter. So if you do not have a rice cooker like me, just get a cup. It doesn't really stick. Okay, I hope you guys like my video today. Subscribe, like, share and comment. I haven't tried this for almost 10 years. Oh, it smells so good. The strong strawberry smell. This is the panda. So good. Sweet. I feel young and sweet now. Is this also your favorite snack? Let me know down below.